Guys, today we are going to make a squishy that is an axolotl. The first thing you'll need is a cotton and then some tissue paper and some tape, any kind. You can get clear tape or this tape, some plastic wrap, this plastic wrap, and you also need stickers if you want. And I think that's all. The first thing you're gonna do is get 2 sheets of tissue. Don't separate one. You need 2. Ignore the sound. And you lay them out flat. Now you get your cotton. Shape it into a little ball. And like this. And then you know what you're gonna do, and just gonna turn it. And right here. My little cotton ball. So the first thing you're gonna do is take these 2 and tissue paper corners right here. Oh, and then you get your tape really hard. And then you tape them together. Secure it so they don't rip. They don't like this. They don't come apart. I'm forgetting the words. And then secure it. Grab these parts. And then it's done. You see these corners? You're gonna grab and pull. Oh my gosh, why is my tape not working? Okay, I'm gonna grab and pull and secure. And repeat it for all the bumps you have. Oh, I'm gonna change my YouTube channel name, and I'm gonna have another YouTube channel with my other friend coming out on February, I think, on 2nd February. I'm gonna have a new YouTube channel, but I'm still gonna have this one. You can subscribe to it. So now, once you're done, if you have bumps, just fall back and then there's a lot of tape. Oh, the reason we use this 2 tissue paper is in case one rips, still have another right here. Oh my gosh, no. I'm doing this on my first graph. Oh. I might do a part 2 for this. I think I'll have to, so what's gonna happen now? I'm gonna say bye.